Our sponsors have got a new website, www.pertec.co.uk. Check it out.
Hi, my name's Adrian Forrester and I'm the backhoe loader market professional based out of Caterpillar's UK facility in Desford. Today I'm going to show you around the new Caterpillar 427 F2 machine. Now, we've spent a lot of time developing this machine for the European market. This machine is based on the highly successful 428. So from a performance point of view, with breakout forces, tear out forces, loader lift heights, this machine has identical performance to that 428. Okay, so this machine, the 427 F2, is powered by a new C3.4B engine, a 3.4 litre displacement engine. Now, as this machine has a power rating of 55 kilowatts, it doesn't have to comply with the new Stage 4 engine standards. It meets the Stage 3B. That means for the customer, it doesn't have the complication of added diesel exhaust fluid. As it's a lower displacement engine, it also means that the engine uses less fuel. So if you're using the excavator, or if you're loading, or if you're roading, there are significant fuel savings, basically saving a customer money. Okay, so another thing that we're introducing with this new 427 F2 is a brand new cab. The cab's all new design. One of the first things you'll notice is we've gone away from curved glass to flat glass. So when an operator turns up on site first thing in the morning and a piece of glass is broken, it's easier, quicker and a lot cheaper to replace. The little things are important on any machines these days, and we've introduced a new 3-step arrangement. So this step at the bottom now is only 40 centimetres from the ground, making it much simpler and much easier when getting in and out of the cab. So here we are inside the new cab on the 427 F2. One of the first things you'll notice, there's plenty of space. There's plenty of storage space for the operator to be able to keep all his paper and belongings. There's a lot of space to be able to turn from the loader position to the excavator position with ease. The other thing you notice straight away also is the visibility. We repositioned the radio to the operator's right-hand side. That means we've been able to keep vision to the loader end when at full height at its maximum. So we've also incorporated a new full-width perforated sun blind, giving good vision at all times in bright conditions. We've also retained the tilt steer column, but we've also added on deluxe cabs a telescopic feature, enabling the operator to find the most comfortable operating position when using the loader. Again, simple thing, the diff lock control that was previously mounted on the floor is now mounted on the loader control. It's more convenient, easier to operate. The operator has complete control over all functions. New instrumentation panel with all 4 gauges. We've added a transmission gauge and also a battery charge gauge on the 427, so the operator can quite simply and easily see the condition of his machine when he's either facing the loader or facing the excavator. There's also a new security keypad. The operator simply enters a 6-digit code to unlock the machine. He can then start the engine. After he's finished using the machine, he can switch the engine off, and then the security system will default back into its lock state after 30 seconds. If at any time the operator wants to have a grace period and extend the shut-off time, he can simply operate the 3rd and 4th button, and that will give him a 15-minute grace time. So, as I said, there's plenty of room when turning the seat. We've repositioned the excavator control so you've got much more comfortable operating position. So for all the times that you're using the hoe on the excavator. The stabilizer controls are mounted on the operator's left-hand side. Very easy to operate from either the loader position or from the hoe position. Okay, so we've also put a new full-width, full-length, single-piece opening window with a new lever mechanism which needs less effort to open and close the window. And all machines now, regardless of whether it's fitted with a standard cab or with a deluxe cab, now have rear opening windows as standard. So if the window gets dusty or you need to increase ventilation, the operator can quite simply and easily open the glass. The other major change that we've made to the cab is noise levels. We've managed to drop the noise levels by 75% to 74 dBA. It really does give a nice, comfortable working atmosphere when operators are spending long periods of time in the cab. So, as I said earlier, this machine is based on the 428, and we've retained all the technology and the important things that are important to our customers that have 428 machines. So the 427 retains a variable displacement, load sensing, flow sharing hydraulic system. Now that's important for operators. It gives great controllability of the excavator and the hydraulic system. It gives him full control, but also it saves the owner fuel, and that means saves money. Because this is a Cat backhoe, we've retained the excavator style boom. Okay, every excavator in the land has a curved type excavator boom. Why not have one on a backhoe loader? So with the Cat 427, we've retained the excavator style boom. That gives added advantages of being able to dig over obstacles. You can also get trucks closer to the side of the machine and have more clearance when you're truck loading. So this is the 427, a machine that's been developed specifically for the European market. With its 3.4B litre engine, it will save customers time, it will save them money, and will have less complication than the larger machines.
Our sponsors have got a new website, www.pertech.co.uk. Check it out.